So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are participating in the Wcoin and you are not participating every single day, then you are losing without even knowing. So in this video we are quickly going to be discussing about it, and we are also going to discuss about the airdrop criteria. As you know, the listing of Wcoin is almost near, and then they are mapping out every single thing that's supposed to eliminate some users, and then putting up the things that are supposed to make you qualified. So in this video I'm quickly going to share about that so that you prepare your account and know exactly what you are doing and what you are up to. But before we go into today's video, please, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos in my channel. Once you log into your Wcoin like this, you just first of all have to claim whatever thing that your AI has been mining in your absence. And if you look right here, you see that whoops, you wasn't active for 5 days. 4.03 M were burned. So I have lost tokens on this account for not logging in for 5 days. So once you have not logged in for 3 straight days and above, you are going to start having your tokens being burned. So the only way for you to stop that is for you to make sure that you are logging in into the bot every single day. So I will just click here and cancel. That one is gone. Once you log into it, make sure that you are participating in this AI. It's very important, and it is one of the criteria for you to be qualified for this airdrop. So I'm going to quickly also show you that as we move. And then make sure that you come over to this task section. You see this task section, make sure that you complete all of these tasks, especially the ones that are under pre-listing. It will definitely be part of the criteria. I've made a video about it in the past, so please make sure that you complete all of these tasks. They are very, very important that you complete it, because if you don't do it, your account will be at risk. So make sure that you complete all of these ones right here. And then let me just go back. So another thing you need to take note of is this. And if you come over to their official Telegram channel right here, you can see this is the official Telegram channel with over 11.6 million users. And then if you come right over here, you are going to see what they had to say here: airdrop criteria. And they say airdrop criteria update. Say, mate, new eligibility conditions are now live in the airdrop tab. Check them now and complete any you have missed. We are getting closer to the big event, and every fulfilled criterion is a step towards claiming your piece of Wcoin. Don't wait, the countdown is on. Another interesting thing I see right here is that the Wcoin community still believes in this project. Look at the number of stars that people donated, and then if you look at the number of reactions to this particular post, look at it, over 16,000 love this particular post, and then another almost 5,000 put a fire sticker. So look at it. So their community is actually still very, very active. So please don't joke with it. You see this section right here, this gift, come over to it. If you come over to it, you are going to see that there are some airdrop conditions right here. So the Wcoin made an update some days back, and then they disconnected everyone's wallet. So if you have not logged in for some time, make sure that your wallet is connected, and you can simply see it right here. If your wallet is not showing right here, it means you have to reconnect. So this is mine right here. So once you have connected, the next airdrop criteria, you can see it right here, Wcoin airdrop. So airdrop conditions, so you are seeing it. So the first one is that wallet connection. So make sure you connect it. The second one is that you must complete at least 50 tasks. So 50 tasks, it simply means if you come over to this task section right here, all of this from the YouTube right here, I believe this is very easy. If you have been participating, of course, it's very easy to complete. If you have been completing tasks in this particular project, of course, definitely you will be able, you must have completed up to 50 tasks. So that is one of the conditions. And then if you just head back, let's go back to the airdrop section again. The next one says 10,000 taps. Unfortunately or fortunately, you know, Wcoin was a tap to earn game. So but right now, if you tap on it, you see that the tapping has a long past, so there is no more tapping right now. So if you look right here, you see this is where you could upgrade the level of the tap. So the tapping is not active, but then if you look right here, you can see you can activate this to tap. You see this, you see full batteries right here. So that is the only way you can tap right now. So if you activate it and just come back, you see that as I'm tapping is increasing. So you can activate that and come back to tap if you know that you have not been able to tap up to 10,000. So you can simply do that. And then if you come up to boosters again, you have lucky dice right here. You can spin all of this to earn different things. So you see, as I've spin like that, I've gotten 10x. So what does that mean? It simply means if you come back to tap, you're going to be tapping times 10 of whatever natural tap you usually have. So all of that session, please make sure that you complete all of that. I know you might not know about these boosters right here. You see, I have many of it. I'm going to, which means if I spin it, I'm going to earn so much from it. And then the full battery here is still much. So make sure that you complete that. And then the next thing is that they said 100 WAI balance. You need to have a minimum of 100. You see this WAI, click on that. You need to have a minimum of 100. So you can see I have about 743 right here. So this is not my main account. Don't look at this. So that is that. So you must have a minimum of 100. And then if you just come back, you'll see that the other conditions are still left. We still have the this one. There are 3 more left, so they are going to be coming out as this go by. So I have already shown you this one, so make sure that you complete these ones and prepare your account. Let your account be in order and ready for the airdrop, so that when others come out, you can easily complete them and set your account. So please make sure that you do everything you can to earn massively from the remaining activities. And then if you come over to W treasures right here, you see W treasures, so click on that. You see that I have about 7 keys right here. You might have some keys here without even knowing. And then you can also purchase the keys. So you can just use the keys to open this box, and you're going to be earning different things right here. So if I just open right now, so I just click on open, you can see I just earned 100,000 W coins, just like that. So I'll just come down, click on collect. So once you click on collect, I can open again because I have up to 7. You see now I got 160. So I'll just scroll up, collect, and then I can open again. So you can see I earned 3 extra keys. So it will be added up to the number of keys I had before. You can see I have 7 keys. So let me open now. You see I earned about 140,000 W coin. Then I will just click on collect. So once I click on collect, you see my keys has reduced. So I have 6 now. So if I open again now, I will now have 5. You can see I earned 130,000 and I have 5 keys. You can see it. So that is the work of the keys. You see, as you are opening, you will just be earning massively. And then if you don't have these keys, there is a way you can get the keys. You can get it by referring your friends. You can also get it by, you can see, look at this one. I got up to 400,000. So you can also get it by simply purchasing. So that is another way for you to get this key. So I just thought of sharing this information for you so that you quickly know, because by the time it is end of this month, Wcoin will be over. So make sure that you are active. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.